Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we break down stocks making big moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're diving into Amplify Seymour Cannabis ETF, ticker CNBS, an actively managed fund targeting the full cannabis ecosystem, from growers and retailers to ancillary businesses like Curaleaf, its top holding. 2025 has been a wild ride for cannabis, and this week it's gone nuclear. On December 12th, reports hit that President Trump is preparing to loosen federal restrictions, potentially reclassifying marijuana via executive order. CNBS rocketed over 54% in a single day, hitting highs around $35, marking its best weekly performance ever. Year to date, the ETF is up more than 41%, fueled by rescheduling hopes and sector momentum. While the White House notes no final decision yet, the market's pricing in major upside for cannabis plays. Is this the start of a bigger rally or profit taking ahead? Drop your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or caution. Like if you're watching cannabis closely, subscribe for more stock breakdowns and hit the bell. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Go out there and make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. We'll see you in the next one.